Kenai River dumps into Skilak Lake. Bear takes up his half right out of the middle. So I'm going to be squished all night. Love me some steak. Well, welcome back. It's Steve, Alaska Volkswagen Adventures, and I'm out camping. Got my sidekick Bear with me. Bear. He's excited. He's out adventuring and seeing all the good stuff. Got the campfire going. Some fresh snow up on the mountains. It was sunny a little while ago, but mosquitoes are pretty rough. They're definitely out in force. Got some food for Bear. Got some campfire wood, and we're gonna sit here and enjoy the peace and quiet. Say hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. I know. He hasn't got to go camping in a while, so I figured I'd bring him out since I'm watching him. He has probably ran 20 miles and peed on 4,000 trees since we've been here, and we've been here about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get the VW set up so I can keep the door closed so the mosquitoes don't eat us tonight. Steak. It's what's for dinner. Sitting here enjoying the view. Cowboy cooking some steak. Got my #1 camping buddy with me. He's sniffed and peed on about everything there is to pee on around here. Gonna have to make him drink 2 gallons of water to get caught up. Oh, he's looking for somewhere to lay down. Forgot your pillow, didn't we? Yeah, we're not very smart sometimes. Well, there it is. I got a sniffer. He likes steak too. I'm gonna sit here and carve up some steak. Love me some steak. Yummy. Come here, Bear. Come here. I know you like steak too. Come here. There you go. Oh, that's a good boy. Dinner's done. Dishes are clean. Campfire's going. Bear's over here grubbing down. Oh, looks like he grubbed down. Dog food is gone. Got to get him some more water. Oh, yep, that's where your dog food is. You want some more? Well, Bear and I just went for a short little walk around the campground. Somebody had painted a rock. Left it laying beside the trail. It was pretty cool. I figured I'd show you guys, and I'll go stash it back before I head out tomorrow morning. You got Bear a pillow to lay on, or a towel, so he's got some to lay on. We're just sitting here listening to the eagles fight, and let's see, what time is it? It is 8:55 p.m. and sunset's not for another 30 minutes, but we're not going to see it because it's in a big dark cloud currently. What do you think, old Bear Dog? What do you think? I know it's kind of hard to see, but Bear takes up his half right out of the middle. So I'm going to be squished all night. And you think you can move him? Heck no, because he weighs 110 pounds. He scooches in and that's where he stays. You're gonna have to scoot over a little bit. Grandpa needs to get in there too. Well, the fire's pretty much out. Me and the old bear dog. Can't even see him. He's hiding in the dark here. He got cold, so he decided he wanted to come inside. Didn't you? Yeah. I know, you're taking the whole bed like you always do. That's why Grandpa doesn't like to grandpa it with you. Yeah, you're a bed hog. You are a bed hog. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry. Was I bugging you? Yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna call it a night. It's early. It's only like 9:45, so we're gonna get comfortable and just turn the heater on, so warm it up in here a little bit. It's just a little above freezing. So, anyhow, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's another beautiful morning. Bear. All right. This is the morning. It's 7:21 in the morning. It's been light since about 5. The sun's peeking up now. Got some neighbors last night. Got quite a few sets of neighbors. And Mr. Bedhog there, holy smokes. Yeah, he took up the whole bed there for a while. I was literally wadded up in a ball. Not much of a sharer in a little bed, are you? I should have put you on a top bunk. Yeah. Beautiful morning, so we would take a spin down Skilak Lake Loop, see if there is any bears out yet. So the Kenai River dumps into Skilak Lake. Got the ever ready bear dog with me. He's awake. He was sleeping a minute ago. But it's a beautiful morning in Alaska. You can see the road is doing its spring breakup thing. This is the scenic overlook at like mile 4.5, I believe. That's where the Kenai River dumps into Skilak Lake. Hear my fan. It's just about to quit working. Luckily I got a new one. I just was waiting for winter to get over with before I changed my fan. What do you think, old bear dog? don't really care. So I forgot to film an outro, so this is why I'm home. I have to get back to sanding logs and wrapping up some projects here. So anyhow, we did not see any bears on Skilak Lake Loop, and we just traveled home. I got to get back to making sawdust. So anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.